Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the revision of 9th standard India size and location. Already we studied this chapter, India size and location. Before we will start the revision, we can understand the direction: north, south, east and west. And how to remember this? One short and sweet word is there: news. North, east, west and south. Now location of India. India is a vast country, lying entirely on the northern hemisphere. In the mainland extends between the latitude 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. Now what is longitude and latitude? Longitude is a vertical lines and latitude is a horizontal imaginary lines which we are using to locate any place, city, country or nation. And we are using these lines to locate the place. Now, Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minutes north, divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Now, next topic, size. India or the landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographic area of the world. India has a land boundary of 15,200 km and the total length of coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 km. Next, we can find that India and the world. Before that, Indian Standard Time, from Gujarat, western side, to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag between 2 hours. Hence, the time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and night as one moves to the south to north. Now, India and world. All of you know that no other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed, it is India's eminent position of Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. India's contacts with the world have contributed through the ages, and relationship through the land route are much older than maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountain in the world north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the ocean restricted such interaction for a long time. That's why position of India is important. Now, next topic, India's neighbors. All of you know that states and union territories. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Last year only, 2019, you can find Jammu and Kashmir divides into 2 union territories. That's why now states 28 and union territories 9. Now, India's neighbors. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest. Here you can find northwest side, Pakistan and Afghanistan. China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north. Upside, China, Nepal and Bhutan. And Myanmar, Bangladesh in the east. And our southernmost neighbor across the sea, means downside, you can find, that is Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Islands. So remember these points about India's size and location. First of all, location, latitude, longitude. Tropic of Cancer divides country into two equal parts. Then Indian Standard Time, that is Mirzapur time. Remember all these points. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.